is it? What is happening? What is it? No, hold it. What is it?
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
No, my question is, where are you taking my husband? Can you say where you're taking
What is happening? Bro, you're in the middle of the show.
It is okay, you have tracked him, but where are you taking my husband? Can you speak? Where? That is my word. I am saying no. You are saying this is not his business. This is not an office, and you will tell me where you're taking my husband. Can you say where you're taking my husband? It doesn't matter. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Can you say where you're taking my husband? And stop, no, stop grabbing him like that. Come on, relax.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Guys, sorry. Sorry guys, madam.
Don't touch him like that.
Madam, you
Do not touch him like that.
Don't play me. To say
No, do not touch my husband like that. Do not.
It's all right.
If he has any offense, can you do it in the right way? I will not let you grab him like he's some lunatic on the road.
Okay, have someone chill basi. Just one chill. Come officer. Just kuja basi officer.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Sorry.
What kind of rubbish is this? You stop here with guns and not
It's okay. What do you say? What is it? Oh, I love it. Send my